So here we are back on Prairie Avenue, and here's a Pierce Arrow from 1927. This is very much like the cars that the Glesners would have been driving. And there we are in front of the Glesner house. We'll come down here, see another Pierce Arrow. And here's Bill and Bob Irving. Thank you for having this wonderful automobile show, Bill. It's a huge hit. It's a perfect day. And these cars are incredible, and what a perfect location for the show. I mean, it just feels like they never should have left.
We're glad to share it with everybody.
Fantastic. I'm going to take a look at some more cars. Hello, sir. Are you enjoying the auto show?
Thank you very much, Tina.
I keep forgetting their pocket.
Look at this. Look at those wheels. Very cool. Take a look at this beautiful Alfa Romeo. Gorgeous. 1930. Look at this car. Very cool. Are you enjoying the show?
Loving it.
Beautiful, huh? What a great location for this beautiful show.
So, can you tell me again?
Hello. Now this car right here, I understand this one that we're looking at right now is worth about $500,000. It's a beautiful Cadillac. Gorgeous.
These things here when we drive.
These wonderful Volvo. Look at that. 1930 Packard. Here's a 1931 Model A from Ford. And here's a Rolls Royce. 1933 Rolls Royce. Look at that. Look at this car. 1930. A Stunts. This car, I believe, is worth quite a bit of money. Here's a wonderful. Here's a 1925 Model T. This is what everybody drove, the inexpensive car that Ford made famous. The Model T. This beautiful 1931 Packard. Look at the hood ornaments. Look at these things. So cool. And the grille. Look at these lights. So cool.
Got a Packard down there, a premium driver.
Oh, really?
Yellow road.
So shiny. People are out enjoying the auto show here on Prairie Avenue. This is a gorgeous red. Beautiful. Look at this one, has wood tires. Look at this hood ornament. Look at that. This is a 1919 Haynes touring car. Beautiful. It's got a great top. There's a couple more down here. The perfect location for a classic automobile show. This is a 1929 Packard, a sedan. Look at this hood ornament. How cool is that? Very neat. Cool. Look at this one. That hood ornament. People checking out the...
They tried to reassemble the walkways and walk paths as though they were part of this prestigious
Here's a beauty right here. It's gorgeous. Again, look at this hood ornament. This is a 1935 Auburn, a cabriolet. How cool is that? And here we are, Prairie Avenue.
That's the name of the owner.
Everyone's coming through to see the cars.